Hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Yes, I was in the basement when I found this. Kind of musty smelling. It is a Radio Shack TRS-80 pocket computer cassette interface box. And indeed, inside the box is the interface. And the cable, which is not removable, thankfully, is here. This does look like it would go into a typical Radio Shack cassette deck. So, somewhere, I've got to find it again. I think it's in the box room. I have my old original, look at that, TRS-80 handheld computer. Why did I get this? Well, you know what? It used BASIC. And some people back in the day would think that if you wrote a program to do some sort of calculation, and then you use that program to do some sort of calculation, that somehow you were cheating. That is not the case, because you see, in order to do a program, to do a calculation, you really do need to know how to tell how to program the thing to do the calculation, which means you really need to know what's going on. You do. So some people would say, oh, you're cheating, you're cheating. Not so. Just ensuring that you don't make some accidental little mistake along the way. Yep. Anyway, I've often found that a lot of people see things in a very backwards fashion. Anyway, I will take this thing, and I will put it, yeah, it's musty. Modular design interlocks with Kafka computer. Stores programs and data, long-lasting battery life. No outlet needed. Indeed. Anyway, so there is the box such that it is. And it really, things don't fit very well back in there. But anyway, I will take this to the box room, and I will try and reunite it with the little computer. And maybe at some point, I'll see what I can do. Perhaps. Anyway, that's about all I have to say about that. So have a lovely, lovely day. We'll see what else we find in the basement. Bye for now.